Good morning everyone. In previous class, we already discussed types of culvert. In this class, we discuss about bridge. So, we already discussed something about bridge. So, drainage structure which allows a route for carrying road or railway traffic across an obstruction with or without water is called bridge. The route of communication may be railway, roadway, cycle track, footpath, etc. These are the bridges. This is the roadway bridge. This is the railway bridge. This is the roadway bridge. But here the river length is here. The bridge lies on large river. Here it is a railway bridge. It is a suspension type bridge. Then normally the bridge 6 types as per the category of bridge: beam type bridge, cross type bridge, arch type bridge, cantilever type bridge, suspension bridge, cable storage type bridge. So most of the type bridge are available, but in a civil engineering use purpose, normally we use 4 types of bridge. First one is culvert bridge. What do we mean by culvert bridge? When the bridge span length is below 6 meters, then it is called as culvert bridge. Okay. Normally, it is provided in canal, stream, small river. This is the culvert bridge. This is the wing walls. This is the abutment. This is the slab. This is the handrails for parapet. Then we discuss minor bridge. The bridge having total span length greater than 6 meter and less than 60 meter is called as minor bridge. Normally, this types of bridge is used in minor purpose. Village area, light load provided area, we use the minor bridge. This is a minor bridge. By this bridge, we cannot provide heavy load. So, this bridge is called minor bridge. Then, major bridge. For major bridge, the span is generally about 30 to 120 meters. This is the major bridge. The heavy vehicles are provided over it. Then, this type of bridge is constructed to take heavy load, and this type of bridge is constructed on large river. This maybe for railway purpose, for road purpose. Okay. Then, long span bridge. When the span of bridge more than 120 meter, then it is termed as long span bridge. It is a multi-purpose bridge. It may be used for roadway, railway. So, capacity of the bridge is very high. The load bearing capacity also very high. The heavy vehicle movement is no obstructed in this types of bridge. Okay, it is a long span bridge. Here the diagram of long span bridge. Span is very long, provided in ocean also. Then with the basic part, difference between bridge and culvert. What are the difference between bridge and culvert? Culvert means this component of a culvert are comparatively simpler and include concrete box or cell, pipe, a top deck or slab and supporting part. In case of bridge, this basic component of a bridge, part of a bridge are superstructure, substructure and decks which transfer surface load to other components. The culvert is generally a tunnel-like structure that allow water to pass under a roadway or railway. The bridge is a passage of transportation over a large body of water or physical obstruction. The culvert are usually embedded in the soil which bear the major portion of the culvert. The bridge abutment and pier are the supporting structure of a bridge. Then the culvert. The length of the culvert is typically not more than 6 meters, but in case of bridge, a bridge span from 6 meters to more than 120 meters. Normally, culvert is made for the passage of water. The bridge is constructed to allow the easy passage of traffic or community. The culvert is made over small stream or canal. Normally, bridge is constructed over an obstruction of roadway, freeway and railway. Normally, culvert is usually rectangular or circular in cross section, having roof, wall and floor, but bridges sit on foundation on each bank or wing walls, and it does not have any floor. It is a basic difference of bridge and culvert. Normally, culvert consist of minor structure, then bridge consist of elaborate superstructure. Culvert are generally made of brick or stone masonry, plain or reinforced concrete, hewn pipe, etc. Then bridges are made of, large bridges are generally made of RCC, steel, pre-stressed concrete. It is the basic difference of bridge and culvert. Okay, here the diagram of bridge and culvert. This is a bridge. Here we can see the bridge structure. We can see here the culvert structure. It's depending on the supports. Here no flooring is needed. In case of bridge, we can provide it below the road or above the road, but in case of culvert, we provided only the water for the water path. the bridge is provided for transportation purpose, but the column is provided for the transportation of pedestrian, animals. Okay, thank you. The remaining part discuss in next class.